Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming that your door lock is Wi-Fi capable or that you have the vendor bridge. This matters because only compatible hardware can join your network. Once done, make sure the lock has fresh batteries or is connected to power so it won't drop mid-setup. You should also open the manufacturer app on your phone and keep your Wi-Fi SSID and password handy because you'll enter them during pairing. Now, put the lock into its pairing or setup mode as the manual directs. You'll use the app to bridge the lock onto your Wi-Fi network. Begin by enabling Bluetooth and location so the phone can discover the lock. Next, follow the in-app prompts to select the lock, then enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Many locks require the 2.4 GHz band, so make sure you choose that network. Once connected, allow any firmware updates to complete. Interrupting an update can brick the device. If setup asks for a hub, pair the bridge first, then add the lock through the hub. You finish by configuring access. Add admin accounts, create user PINs, and enable features like auto lock and push notifications so you know activity. Then test the system twice, lock and unlock using the app and the physical key to confirm reliable operation. If things go wrong, try a quick reboot of your router and phone, verify the lock is on the 2.4 GHz network, and move the lock closer to the access point. These steps resolve most connectivity issues without resetting the lock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.